Welcome to our channel. Today, we continue our journey through Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. If you missed the previous video on chapters 56 and 57, be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive back into 19th century England and high society. You are listening to Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. Chapter 58 is titled The Reconciliation. In this chapter, Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy visit Mr. Bennet to inform him of their engagement and seek his blessing. When they arrive, Mr. Bennet is more cheerful and relaxed than usual. He is pleased to hear of their engagement and gives them his blessing. He also expresses his regret for his previous misunderstandings with Mr. Darcy and his appreciation for Mr. Darcy's role in resolving the situation with Lydia. After they visit with Mr. Bennet, Elizabeth, and Mr. Darcy see Jane and Bingley, who are also very happy to hear of their engagement. They spend the evening together, celebrating their happy news and planning for the future. Chapter 59 is titled The Conclusion. The author summarizes the novel's leading events and characters in this final chapter. The chapter begins with a reflection on the marriages of the main characters, including Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy, Jane, Mr. Bingley, Lydia, and Mr. Wickham. The marriages are described as being based on love and mutual understanding and as an improvement from the marriages based on pride and prejudice prevalent at the novel's beginning. The chapter also mentions the changes in the characters' personalities throughout the novel. Elizabeth, who was previously prejudiced against Mr. Darcy, has come to appreciate and love him for his true character. Mr. Darcy, who was previously proud and reserved, has become more open and affectionate. Thank you for joining us for this summary of Pride and Prejudice, chapters 58 and 59. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this beloved classic. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you need a copy of the book, check the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy all over again. See you in our next video.